Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial, and in today's tutorial video we are going to be learning how to make a cap sleeve. So this is a short tutorial. I want you to stay tuned and let's get started. So I have already put my pattern paper on hold, and I have folded it into two. And first I'm going to be marking a baseline where all our lines will be connected. So we'll be starting every of our line from this baseline like so. So after which I'm going to be marking the length of my sleeve, which is 6 inches. So like you see on the screen, so I'm going to be ensuring that the 6 inches is accurate around, and I will connect the dots together. So when I was through with that, I went ahead to mark my round sleeve, which for this tutorial is 16 divided by 2, which gave me 8 inches. And I also went in from the full length of my sleeve by 2. So remember it's 6, so 6 divided by 2 will give me 3. And I also went out from the midpoint by 5 inches. So I just placed my tape on the center of the paper, and I'll now go ahead to draw the curve round there. So I'm using my armhole curve for this curve. So I would invert it like so to the first point, like so, and also for the other point I'll turn my curve and connect it to the final point. So after that, because I want a curve on the side of my sleeve, I don't want it to be straight, so I went upwards by 2 inches and I marked it. So you can totally leave it like so, or just make 5 inches, 4 inches, depending on what you want. But for me, because I want this effect, I had to go up by 2 inches, and I also connected it from that point down to the end of my sleeve. So after connecting, this is what it gave me. So there will be like an effect. So there'll be like a covering effect on the fabric. So this is what I want. Like I said earlier, you can totally just make your sleeve 4, you can make it 5, depending on what you want and how long you want the cap sleeve to be. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. So after cutting it out, this is what I got. And if you want the cap sleeve that actually has gather, gather, you can totally slash and spread, use the slash and spread method. But because this is the type of cap sleeve I want, I don't want any gathering of any sort on my sleeve, I decided to use this method for it. So I'd gone ahead to transfer my sleeve to my fabric, and this is the fabric I will be using, and I'll go ahead to turn it over with my lining, so you see the effect. So I turn it and I've given it a good press. So this is how my sleeve is looking, all pretty and fine. So thank you so much. This is it on the mannequin. Thank you so much for going on this tutorial journey with me, and I hope you have found this helpful. So see you on the next tutorial, and thank you. If it has been helpful, I want you to like, share and subscribe. So till next time, bye.